For those of you who've clicked on this video, you're probably looking for extra income because your current job isn't making much money. Or perhaps you're still unemployed and looking for a modern, high-paying job. If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll discuss 4 side hustles that can be started with little or no capital. You have no money, but you want to start making money by selling? If that is your condition, then you will be suitable to take this job. And that job is affiliate marketing. So, your job is only to sell other people's products to get income or commission, so the money you need at the beginning as capital is almost zero. But at the end of this video, I will tell you about a job that has a bigger income than this. And of course, it is easier to do. But before that, we will move on to number 2, namely, if you are good at editing videos, then being a content creator will be the perfect job for you. Although being a content creator is difficult, if you have video editing skills, you will make a lot of money by becoming a content creator. Or even if you combine content creation with affiliate marketing, you will earn even more money and will quickly become rich. But if you can't do that, don't worry, because the last side hustle will have the opportunity to earn a lot of income, but it's easier to do. But don't rush, because this third side hustle is no less interesting, namely, do you know Iman Gadzi? He is one of the successful people in the marketing agency. He created a social media agency and was able to earn up to millions of dollars per year at a young age. So it's simple. You just have to help or serve other people's businesses and get a commission from helping other people's businesses. This is the side hustle that is most balanced between the level of difficulty and also income. Different from the last one because this last side hustle is very easy to do and the income is unlimited, and the side hustle is you must have been waiting for this latest side job, which is said to be the easiest and has unlimited income. But remember, in this world, there is no job like that, because all jobs must have their own difficulties, and the road to success is not easy. So never believe if anyone says that easy jobs with high income are real, because Jeff Bezos once said that all overnight success takes about 10 years. Don't forget to subscribe and start your career.